Hey guys, good morning. Sorry you really didn't get the vlog yesterday. Yesterday wasn't a big day, actually. It was one of those days I like to call just a downtime day where you basically check everything on your EDCs to make sure they're all up to date, checking all your regulatory binders just to make sure that everything is filed. It was basically a day where you get to kind of reset, clean, and make sure that everything that you've been doing thus far is in place where it should be, and it's correct. So yesterday it wasn't a big one, just the whole day, basically downtime, trying to upkeep everything like I said. But other than that, the main thing for yesterday was today is actually subject recruitment day, and so I have a paper here, right here, and it has a list of a lot of facility homes for maybe psychiatric wards or just individuals with the population that we're looking at for the study. And I'm just going around and I'm trying to the ultimate purpose isn't to solely get the subject recruitment, but to also build relationships on a professional network. It's always good just to have these psychiatric cares or any other place that can help you out with subject recruitment, just to keep in your back pocket for future studies, because you help them out, they can help you out. Subjects are a big thing in clinical research, because without the subjects you can't be able to run the study. Without being able to run the study, you really don't get paid. So subjects are a lot. Subjects are a big deal. If you're looking for a way in, maybe you know a lot of people in a certain population that a big study is being run, and you kind of want to get in, but you don't know how. You can always bring a site subjects. I know that's the first thing that Dan told me, and even though I didn't bring him any subjects, I brought him a different type of value. But subject recruitment is actually a really valuable characteristic or trait to have in your back pocket. So this is the first time I'm doing it today. I'm kind of excited, a little nervous, but you know what? We just got to jump right in and get our feet wet, right? So I'll check back in every now and then after, or you know what? Maybe I'll check back in after every appointment that I've had, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right? So let's get it. Checking in, I went to 3 places. Unfortunately, the facilities, they didn't want to participate in clinical research trials, or just didn't want to hear about it. But that's just how it goes. Gonna keep trying. We'll see where the day takes me. Hey guys, what's up? Been a long day. I've been bouncing around from facility to facility, or homes and homes. So I've been through. Actually, let's see. Let's count them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. I've been to 22 facilities so far. I have about 3 or 4 more to go. I really haven't got anybody yet, just because a lot of people think that I'm just trying to sell medication, or I think some of the staff doesn't properly know what their patients' diagnoses are, so they really don't understand or know what clinical trials are. So it's kind of a lot of information for them to absorb, like at their doorstep or at their facility doorstep. So I think what matters the most is I'm getting global clinical trials names out there, and just exposing them to the clinical research side. I'm actually here at a legit facility at a manor, but we're actually going to see how this one goes, so I'll check back in with you when I'm done with this one. Alright, so later. Alright, that was a bust. I guess it's not in use anymore. The gates were all locked up. Kind of creepy and eerie, if you ask me. So some of these places, the owners actually retire from staying in the mental health field, or just retire from the mental facility, I guess, career. But this one I was kind of excited about just because I saw it was a big place, it looked legit, and it looked promising, but unfortunately it was all run down, and yeah, nothing more to say about that one, so on to the next. Alright guys, so I just got back from another facility that is pretty big. There's a lot of patients there. Unfortunately, they don't allow their patients to participate in clinical research trials, but that's sometimes how these facilities work. But they did give me a lead on perhaps one of their neighbors that is around in the area, and so I just gave them my business card, wrote my cell down, just so that the head of that facility could give me a call back whenever they have time to. And yeah, I mean, I think there's just a general theme around clinical research. It's just persistence and persistence. I mean, you guys heard it however many I went to before, 20 something, I don't know, but you just need one. Honestly, you really do. You just need one. You need one patient, you need one chance to internship, you just need one chance. I mean, persistence really goes a long way in the field of clinical research, and yeah, I'm finding that out today. It feels really rewarding, actually, just marketing and getting your name out there. Some individuals, they don't know what clinical trials are or clinical research is. Others do. I was very fortunate enough to experience this facility. There are two co-owners. They actually do know what clinical research trials were, and I think they used to have some clients that did participate in it, just because they're very familiar with the field. But I think they're going to be a very not worthy, but what's the word I'm looking for? They're going to be very valuable in terms of referrals and just trying to network a little bit more, since they have been in the field and they know how it goes down and all the processes and all that type of stuff. So I'm really happy about this one, about making a marketing connection or just a professional connection in clinical research. So yeah, on to maybe two more, and that's it for today. So I'll see you later. Alright guys, just finished with all these appointments, or well, not appointments, but facilities that I had to tour around and visit. I'd say it was a successful day. It was really fun, actually. I got to run around. It wasn't typical sit in the office and sort papers out or do something like that. I was interacting with a lot of potential new clients, interacting with a lot of facilities that will hopefully lead to more potential clients or subjects as well. Yeah, it was a fun day, honestly. I grew a lot. I learned a lot how to interact and work with this type of field. I think I'm going to say over 60% of the visits that I've actually went to, they all thought that I was just trying to sell medication, which wasn't true. I had to